Hello everyone, am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a bright smile. Yes, I can see that excitement. Like you all are eager to learn today's wonderful folk art. And yes, this kind of artworks could be used on special occasions, special festivals for decorating your home. And many times in your school, like you need to draw rangoli or traditional patterns for making alpana and all. So this is going to help you out for that also. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. So here on screen, you can see this is black pastel sheet, which is A3 size. This is A3 in size. Okay. Yeah. I will give you full view and the material also. What material is needed, everything I will explain just a minute. Yeah. So this is black pastel sheet. And if you don't have black, don't get disheartened, then you can take white also. Okay, the only difference on black, we are going to use white acrylic color. But if you are using white, then use black acrylic color. Okay, black or red, whatever you find suitable. Okay, and using this space, and see my paper, it's quite thick. You know, paper quality should be thick. So yeah, and material needed. And basically the things which we need today for completing our artwork is we need white acrylic marker and a paintbrush. And those who are not having command over paintbrush, they can use earbud also for doing colors, because on black and white it is going to be maximum black and white, and if needed, some other colors, brown or some other colors, if needed, we will put. Otherwise, acha, if you feel that you are not able to draw it, you won't be able to draw and color it directly with this, and in that case you can use your chalk. That's why we mentioned chalk also. You simply dip your chalk in water and draw the way you write on blackboard. Now that way you will simply make your pattern, and you will be surprised to see the moment the impression of chalk will get dry, you will find lovely, amazing, and beautiful output. So chalk is again amazing thing for making your design, and if you don't want to use acrylic color or something of this kind, okay, so you can use chalk as well. See, I have chalk of yellow color. I will show, like how it works. See how bright it is. And if you will soak it in water and then make, the lines will be permanent. Okay? Yes. So even chalk could be used. I will show the material. Like here you can see some rakhis, and see this kind of jewelry. Like see this is handmade jhumki. So if you have this kind of hanging jewelry, or many times from old blouses, and then tassels will take out, so that you can use for lower portion, that hanging portion. Okay, these are some rakhi patterns, this kind of rakhi, whatever you have, you need to see in your treasure box. See, this is earring. So this earring can be also, we can use for hanging it. Okay. And if you have mirrors, stones, and we need stapler, we need scissors, and if you have anything of this kind which is having some beautiful patterns, if you have, this is not actually needed because we are going to draw everything. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. Okay, ready? Are you ready? I want to see that excitement, because that is going to reflect in your today's lovely drawing. And using this, if you will do it pasting on a cardboard, and any kind of carton you can take, so it will become a portable rangoli. Okay, and if you have any rangoli, Acha, tell me, how many of you want to learn underwater rangoli? Show your thumbs up. I will love to have one session of that also. Water, underwater. Rangoli, underwater. Okay, yeah. So we will try to cover up that also, because many students, they have rangoli competition. So yes, we will be learning underwater rangoli. And you know what? It's portable. Like you can lift it up and you can take it to some other place. So we'll keep learning this kind of beautiful things, so that for when any festival will come, you can decorate your home with your own, with your complete involvement, each and every corner, very creative with your lovely creativity. So chalo, now let's get started. Okay? So here what we will do, we will start with the basic pattern. For that, either you can use your pencil, because your pencil will reflect, the lines will reflect. Can you see it will shine? है ना? So you can use either pencil or you can use chalk, or if you have white pencil color, you can use that. Anything you can use. And if you have any pencil color, like I have pencil colors also available, so you can use pencil color also for making lines. And you're supposed to be very, very careful, because um, this complete artwork, like here we are going to make lines and then you will be adding patterns freehand. So chalo, let's get started. So this is a pastel sheet. It's quite thick. And if your pastel sheet is not thick, then you can do pasting of cardboard afterwards. Okay? Yes. My scale I will take. You can take a small scale also, and let's get started. As we want to show like hanging pattern, we want to display in front of our house both the side, this kind of holy symbols. When you put in on entrance, it add okay, come on now, arrange for things. And okay, so now we will start with the sketching part. So I will take pencil. If you want to use any other thing, and here see, you need to be very careful because lines, erasing line, if you're using pencil, you can erase. But if you will be careful, we are going to make actually the basic layout. So the very first thing you will do, you will take three fingers big. I will show you how to take measurement. We will start from here, three fingers. So you will take your pencil and you will take three fingers big distance and you will mark a point. Okay, you'll mark a point. Now you will make a horizontal line. Okay, we will be making a horizontal line. So you will simply make sure that properly you will place your scale. You can take any register or book for making line at once, or you can use your small scale also. If you want to be very much careful about, you can take measurement here, and you can go that way. Now I will be taking four fingers big. I'll request not to call me, during office hours, during class, because it disturb the class. Okay. Now you will take four fingers distance, or you can take three fingers here also, and you will mark a line here also. And make sure a line should be very carefully done so that use of eraser won't be needed. Okay? So I simply draw three fingers here, three fingers here. And now we are going to make a frame with scale. Okay? So taking the complete measurement of scale, you will be making lines after lines. And the lines of scale will be straight and you will find it easy also to make it. So you will simply make lines, three lines here and three lines here. Very simple uh, basic structure we will be making. Okay, come on. So you're going to make line, and these basic structure, although this can be made freehand also, but deciding the basic structure will make it more perfect. Okay, and as we are talking about folk art, I will share the story of uh, Lipan art today. Lipan and collage, how it was invented. है ना? तो yes, so see, I completed three lines this side and this side. Okay, both sides I made three lines. Come on, do this. And as lines are shining, three fingers upper, three fingers your side, and three lines of same. Can I check the work? I want to see that how the basic layout is going on. Yes, perfect. Very good. Okay. Now what we'll do, we will make one line lower side. So one more line here or two, we will see that how much is needed. This basic structure is very simple. We are simply making some basic lines. Okay. So you can go for two lines here, lower side, and two lines upper side. Okay. Come on, let's do this. And you will find a frame kind of structure ready. And in middle of it, we will make shank. And a shank is a very holy element, and its presence, even in form of picture, is considered very lucky for home. Okay, see. So this ways, what I did, see, one, two, three scales, one, two, three scales, two here, and three fingers. So three fingers, it's equal to, I think, two scale only. Another three fingers I left here. Okay? Yes, and I will give it look of hanging. Okay, and after making hangings, like I'm going to make three this kind of V structure. So on that we can hang it or we can display it. And many times silver color and golden color paper we get with sweets. You can cut circles, triangle, and use them as mirrors if you want to decorate it that way. We will simply keep it with white and some colors if needed, and we will decorate it. So, chalo, come on, do this. And after this, what you will do, you will start with the basic structure. And for making basic structure, what I will do, I simply want to make the, yes, all of you do this. Okay. Yes, so very carefully. And that's why I simply took the measurement of scale so that no measurement would be needed. Simply making lines with scale of this much width is will and the designs and the patterns we will be making, those could be used for making rangoli patterns and rangoli patterns. And many times you want to make a frame of something. Many times you want to prepare a beautiful border for your classroom decoration board. And so with everywhere it could be used. Okay. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. The very first thing you will do, you will make the outer portion little this way. Shall I start? Or do you want me to wait? Show you thumbs up or thumb down. Thumb down for if you want me to wait, and thumbs up for if you have done. Okay, many are showing thumb down. Okay, I'm waiting. By the time you all finish it. So first I'll share the story of collage. You know, how collage making came in existence. So this is a story of a zang dealer. And a zang dealer, it means kabadi wala. Okay, so this kabadi wala was having a shop and was purchasing discarded stuff from village peoples. Okay, now I will be making patterns. So for this, what you will do, you will start using these two. And using this two, and what you will do, you will take help of scale now. And last line, let's do one thing. Last line. See, these last two lines we have now. Here you will be making the line equal to scale. Equal to scale. These blocks will make your pattern little more easy. Although this can be done without measurement also, but if you will use scale, it will be perfect, you know, and very freehand, you will be able to do it done very freehand. So these two last two stripes equal to width of this, I add checks because I want to add a beautiful pattern here, you know, which will make it looking great. Okay, so I simply add this kind of checks here and same here. Okay, last two. See, this I will not use. I will use only last two lines and I will make this kind of sleeping checks. As I told you, be very careful. Although if you are making line with pencil, you can erase. You know, this lines of pencil, they are shining because it's having gray impact. They are shining on black surface. Yes. And your artwork is going to get ready very soon. So this basic structure, basic layout will, yeah, nicely, you will simply finish. Okay. So here, what is left now? This one line is left this way, and here we have blocks. So here kind of checks we have. Lower portion and upper portion we have nothing. Okay, because her upper portion is going to be hanging, so we will have V shape upper side, and lower portion we will show three or two triangles to hang our stuff we have. So it can be four, it can be three, and as many as you want. Okay, so this complete length is 12. It's 12. No, not less than 12 it is. And also we can simply divide it half if you want, or you can divide it in equal three blocks. Okay. So what will happen? You will find perfect output. In centimeters, if I will take, it is 29. 4, 4, 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. Chalo. Done? Can I check this much? Will you please show me? By the time I will continue my story also. Okay. So what we are doing, we are simply making basic framework. When you want to create this kind of work, and you need to have the basic framework. Although this could be done, once you will be able to do, you will do it with me now. You will understand that how we, okay. Yes. So we will simply go for diagonal lines. Then upper line you will make little curved and you will be making this. Take it, chalo. Okay, done? Yes. Now what you will do, you will make this line we have now, this last line we have, you will make it half. You will make it half here. No, it is not perfectly half. You can make this line freehand also. You can erase also, you know. Exact half we need. Okay, exact half. So you can either make it freehand. I told you, it's not like that you will be using always scale. You can make it freehand also. Because we are going to move our color, acrylic color with this. So we will be making one line this ways. Here we will go for sleeping line. Here we will be going for sleeping lines. Right now, you must be feeling as if we are doing geometry, right? And you must be, many of you must be would be finding it very boring. But you will see the moment when you will start working over now, that time you will realize that it was very much needed actually. Okay. So see, we completed this phase. I'm going to make one line here, one line here, and then this middle portion, I will be making V. You can either take measurements first, and then now here I write V directly. But if you want to take proper scale measurement, you can do that ways also, as we did here. And so if you will take proper measurement, your V will be uniform. Otherwise, you can make it freehand as I did, and you can go for it. So, but in freehand, many times the measurement goes wrong. It's not uniform. Then the artwork looks bad. Okay. Chalo, so now we will start with the middle portion, and that we are going to show a shank. Okay, so we need to find out a proper circle. I will be using this for making shank. Okay, so chalo, let's make it, and then we will start with the work. Acha, here I'm using white acrylic color. But if you want to use multani clay, है ना, multani clay, it's normally you will find it available in form of crystal or powder. You can make its paste. You can add little of Fevicol in it, and you can use it as paint. That looks amazing and 3D look it get. I will for sure cover up one artwork with clay art, soil art, है ना, in which we will be using natural soils and we will create something. Now, what you will do, you will take four fingers distance. Come on, 4 fingers distance. You will keep this. You can come little more down, and leaving equal space, and otherwise your drawing will look on one side. You are going to make a circle. Now we will make holy symbol. Now I'm going to make it, but if you want to make Shri Charan, and if you want to make Ganesha, if you want to make any other symbol, and if you have any of this kind of thing, you can do pasting of it. And you can paint it on a CD, or this kind of caps are easily available. If you have any image which is lightweight, you can put it. You can make it with magic clay and you can put it, in your own ways. Swastik you can make use, so you can, in your own ways, you can make it looking beautiful. We started with a circle, and now we will be giving it look of swastik. So for that, what you will do, you will simply mark points. And how much far these are? 4 fingers. 4 fingers big distance. And very carefully, gently sloping line. And you will be making this kind of triangle shape. First, you will be making this kind of triangle shape. How much high it is? 3 fingers. Okay. This is 4 fingers. This is 3 fingers. Okay. We are going to make a shank. We will learn a shank. And we will make complete beautiful folk art around. And you can make Whirly art. Whirly art is simplest. So you can try that also. Owl is also considered a fish. Presence of fish also is considered very lucky. Now what you will do, you will come down here and your lines will be narrow. Like here it is quite broad, but here it is going to be quite narrow, and we will be keeping it 3 fingers here with narrow lines this ways. So now here you can see this is looking like the structure and shape of shank. In shank, the upper V is quite broad because we kept it 4 fingers, and here we kept it 2.5. So it's quite narrow. This should be the basic structure. Always start your work with basic structure. Normally, this mistake students do, whether they are making diagram or want to implement their own idea, they start with structure, direct detailing. No, make structure. Now, this is going to be shank. And what I did, I simply took the basic structure, 2 triangles and 1 center, circle, right? Now, what you will do, you will come almost in center, okay? You will be coming and you will write 6. Come on, write 6. Hold your pencil loose. And when you're working with, okay, I will wait. Many students are showing thumb down, so I will continue my story. So this Zung dealer was having a daughter who was very creative. And afternoon time, this was responsibility of a daughter to bring tiffin for Papa to shop. Okay, and that used to be 2 to 3 hours. Used to be the rest hours because no customers was coming. So afternoon lunch, she was bringing in tiffin, dal, chawal, chapatis, the sabji and all, And after completing, father was doing rest for 2 to 3 hours, and this girl was looking after the shop, taking care of shop. And during this time, what she was doing, she was tearing colorful patterns. Like suppose suppose any magazine, and in that we have little blue. So she was, suppose this is a magazine, so she was tearing blue from it, and a purple brown from here, and a blue from here. She was tearing pieces of colors from here and there. Can I check this much? Please lift up files and show me. Everyone. Wonderful. Now we will add detailing. So this is a 6, which is almost in center. Hold your pencil loose, and your curve should be very round. And from here, you will come from here. You will take a point in corner, and you will make this center point we have now, center you will come. This is going to be the structure for make center structure for making shank. And take eraser and erase this lower line. And as I'm using pencil, so for with pencil, and this is going to be the inner structure of shank. You will erase unwanted lines, because we are not going to give wash. We will directly start with the coloring. So this is going to be the structure, okay? And you are going to make upper structure. So upper structure you will be making. Now you can see, because of triangular shape, you will find it so easy to make the structure. You will be making this first structure. You'll be making second structure. Just this kind of C shapes. And the upper one is going to be a C and this kind of structure. Okay. I will erase unwanted lines so that you can understand how it will be looking. We want to show it in form of blocks. So 1, 2, 3 blocks and this circle. So we will be doing colors in block. Okay. And if you feel that you want to use chalk, simply take your yellow chalk or black chalk, white chalk, soak it in water and simply make your pattern with chalk. And you will find beautiful permanent work. And once it is dry, it will get fixed and the white pattern will be highlighted. So if you want to make many cutouts of this kind, you want to decorate walls in a school or somewhere else, you can use chalk. So chalo, now let's quickly complete the patterns. So here what you will do, the side patterns, what you will do, you will simply leave little space. You can mark little space you will leave. Okay, mark space. And same here, you will leave little space outside and you will mark a point. When you decide points before now, what happened? Your work become very easy and very systematic. So what you will do now, you will simply make diagonal line to next line. And as our lines are already done, this pattern could be made freehand. More you will practice, more command on freehand structure you will be having. Okay, this can be diagonal and this can be B shape also. You can make it B shape also. That way. And upper side, same here. You can turn your paper this ways and you can simply make it this ways. And you're going to connect with diagonal lines. As you decided your blocks equal, you find it so easy. And this is a small line. We are simply joining the corners. So that can be done easily. Okay. Yes. First do this. So we simply connected. Straight line we were having, it is looking like N. N for nest, right? Yes. And then we will add one more pattern. We will quickly add the hangings below. If you want to go for U shape, you can. If you want to go for V shape, you can. Now here again, you will divide it in equal 3 parts and 3 blocks will be perfect. And if you want to go for one single, then you can go for V upper side, V lower side. You can go for 2 as well if you want to go for 2. Okay. So I will simply divide in 3 equal blocks. And this is the way I will make big V's where we will hang something for adding that decorative look. Okay. Hopefully, the pause I took is more than enough. Okay. And oh, yes, it will come here. Here, by mistake, we did it here. Here, the hanging part will go. So, here, upper side, only one will go. And as it is, we are going to keep it straight now. So, we will be making a big V because we want to hang it. And here, it will go for three V's so that we can hang something nicely. And this is the way you will be making V's. Okay. So this is your structure ready. Acha, here what you will do now, in the end, you will be making this kind of J shape. If you want to draw it now, you can make it letter J. Okay, you will be making letter J, straight line and curve, straight line and curve. It's not touching next line. Before only it is, the line which we draw there, you can make it. And same you're going to do here, J. If you will draw it before, you will find it easy to complete. Letter J I'm writing, okay? Come on. So this J will add a beautiful traditional pattern, and then we are going to add kind of exclamatory mark also. Chalo, so now we will start with the drawing part. Shall we? Are you ready? Yes? Okay, that's amazing. And here, one more thing we will add. We will add 1, 2. And you will be adding one more V. And then you will add a triangle. Very carefully. This kind of patterns you need to be very careful while making it. Although they are very simple, but lots of attention, attentiveness is needed. So these all detailed patterns will make it looking. And these are just lines. And it's not like something difficult or something, no. But still you will see where, and no difficult colors, nothing. I will simply add a triangle and it will be done. I will first make a standing line, sleeping line, then I will make one more line. I will add a triangle, standing line, sleeping line. You will see like how much command you will gain in one artwork only. And this is your work done. See, I add this kind of corners and now your drawing is ready to color. Shall we start now? Yes? Okay. Yes, all of you finish this and we will start it. See, these corners and like these triangular shapes, we will cut it because we want to hang something. So if you want to cut it before, because after doing colors, you will find it challenging. So upper portion is going to hang something. you want to hang something. Now, so here you can go for one V shape, and here you will go for three V shapes. Come on, do this, and then we will wind up the portion. Here also you will be going V, then one more triangle, V, more. You can make your patterns bigger, smaller. It's completely your choice. And you will cut it. Okay? These are simple geometric shapes. But only thing, we took lots of measurements to keep it organized. And now this lower V, you will cut. Very carefully. And if you want to staple, and if you want to cut a shape of jhumki or cut a shape of this, anything, and you want to hang, and now here, if I will put my jhumki as hanging, how beautiful it will look. Now, see, so here you can hang anything. And just come on. So just to make it looking like hanging, I'm going to do this. Now here, if you want to write any thought, be positive, and good vibes only, or any kind of thought. If you want to write, you can even write that. So here I will go this way. We will cut it before, because after coloring, it will be challenging to cut. So let's cut it this way. And here your hanging will come. And here your hanging will come. Okay, come on. And I will give you full view. Although it is full view, I suppose. Yeah, it is full view only. And your basic structure is ready. The artwork is ready for folk art. Okay. Mirrors, if you have mirrors, you can put mirrors. And not small mirrors you can put here. With mirrors, it will look like more beautiful it will look like. Okay. Yes. So chalo, let's get started. So either you can use your paintbrush or you can use your um, earbud. You know? So if you're not very much, earbud will give you, see, this is earbud. I will dip earbud in acrylic color. That's why we took acrylic color. And we will start up to down, you know, so that we will have space to place. Start making it. You will keep doing it. Take and start doing. Okay? And you will take enough color. And if you feel that you want to use paintbrush, you have command over paintbrush, you can definitely use acrylic color with paintbrush. So now you need to decide what you want to use for completing it. Earbud, cotton, both could be used. Okay. So make sure color should be dark and bright enough. If you feel that I want to add some more colors, little pink and little this kind of colors, you can do that. I will keep taking colors and nicely on each and every. Now see, all of you see, just 1 minute I want, huh? Now you're going to add patterns by your own with lots of attentiveness. Although acrylic marker can also be used here, but little practice with watercolors, acrylic colors will help you growing like anything. And this could be done with earbud also. Okay, yes, with earbud also you can do this. Okay, make your patterns and start completing your lines one after another. Okay, each and every line we draw before, we really worked hard for all the measurements and all. Make sure a line should be dark and bright enough. And that's why we specially recommended acrylic color. You know, acrylic colors are having its beautiful white impact. And now you will start making it beautifully. All the lines we have, very carefully, you will move. If your lines are little irregular, then also it's okay because it's a folk art. है ना तो this is the way you will finish your corners, and some dots also we will add, but that we will add directly with what? We will add it directly with colors. And here, if you feel that you want to add some more things, I will complete my this middle shape also. Now we need to do it in the way so that we can have space for placing our hands. That's why down to up to down. I will complete upper portion so that I can place my hands and I can move my paintbrush easily. And with earbud also, you can easily do this. Keep taking color again and again so that you can have enough dark lines. And paintbrush, if you want to use, you can chalk, soak it in water, and then do with chalk. In no time, it will happen. Okay, and see, this is the way it will be done. Okay, yes, I will be like this complete space we have now. I will go for and you will go for one more line, which is from here, and this line will come here. Okay, you will simply make outline of the ring which we draw. Okay, see this shape which we draw now, we will make it double because only that will be left black and this complete chunk will be done with white. Okay, or if you're making it completely white, then that particular part, that design and pattern which you draw, you can make it with black. You can do that also. I think that will be easy for you, right? So what you will be doing, you will simply put color and that particular portion which we draw, you move black color once it is dry. So I will simply go this ways and nicely you will finish colors inside. I will continue my story. So I was telling you story of collage making. So this girl who was extremely creative and was coming to take care of shop during the time when there used to be no customer and father who used to do rest. So using that sticky rice and any of the papers, she was simply tearing colorful portions of magazines and newspapers and with any idea like a garden or anything, she started doing pasting in that particular form and was creating beautiful artworks. And she was fond of my our stories from ancient scriptures. So she started preparing that also after getting command over. You can take little water and you can smooth it. With little touch of water, you can smooth it. Okay? And see, this is the way complete portion will be done. Okay, here white khadiya. Khadiya is a white soil and a natural color of soil which is white. That is been used, but we will be using white acrylic color. And see, this is the way you will find the basic structure of it. With earbud or anything you find comfortable. Okay? And same ways you will complete patterns around triangles properly. Okay? Here also. And one after another, we will start completing. We will finish it everywhere. Okay? So we completed the upper portion. And here, if you feel that you want to make the line, this is going to be the hanging. So if you feel that here you want to make a line this ways, you can either draw this first or you can make it directly with colors. Okay. I will complete all. Acha, now the patterns. I will show the how the pattern will go. Pattern will go this ways. You will not make your line completely. you will be making your line this way. Your standing line will come only this much. See your patterns. Hana, you will not go all over. I will turn my file this way. I will show you how I'm going to do the patterns. Same ways you will be doing. You will not go everywhere. Only triangle part you will do and this hook shape. Triangle and then this hook shape. Okay, only this much you will be doing. And the sleeping lines. Remaining lines you will skip. You will not draw them. Okay? Yes. With earbud, you will have to take color again and again. And with paintbrush, you can go for a big drag. Okay. So in patterns outside, you will be making only this much structure. Remaining lines you will not make. Okay. Remaining lines we will not make. Only this basic structure we will complete. And you can keep turning your file for this. Okay. So this way she created complete folder. Like every day she was coming and using that rice for pasting. She was preparing one beautiful artwork. So one day, when visitor came to this particular place, it was a small town, and that time she was lost doing this work. And when this man reached to this, was looked at such amazing way, like this girl assembled everything. So he was surprised and started praising. Then the girl took out the complete folder and showed that I made many more. He took photographs. He was a visitor, and he was surprised to see that with waste like magazine and this kind of colorful portions she took out and created it. And as they were assembled together, the name was given collage. Okay. So this is the story of collage. From that day onwards, collage became the part of ours. See, you will be making two sleeping lines. This only this much you will be making. Okay. Remaining lines you will not outline. Only the structure which I draw, you will draw this only. Okay. Yeah. And this pattern with white and this will look authentic. Now we will talk about mural art. Okay. I will share the story of mural art also. Here in middle, if you want to go for Whirly art, you can go for Whirly art also. I will simply go for line. You can use your earbud also for this. And see, it's about to get over. You can take a little touch of water and you will finalize it. Okay, try to understand the pattern I made. All of you see this pattern on site, and it will come like this. If you feel some lines are looking very dull, and one more thing you will add, and that is these are dots. You can add either dots, and a dots we will add directly with, or we can add even exclamatory mark. But I think dot will be enough. Otherwise, it will become too much complicated. So I will come here, and this ways we will keep turning our paper and we will move our white everywhere. Okay, very carefully. More uh, practice and more strokes you will make and better command. You will see after some times you are able to move your paintbrush or earbud with so much of confidence. Lines are more stable. This is due to continuous efforts for making the pattern. So here the V pattern which I will add a V lower side, upper side, and this ways I will add detailing. Okay. And carefully we will complete it. If you feel little of other color you want to add, I have pearl colors, so we will see if needed, we will add that. Here for this particular part, we are going to have, okay, we will be making this pattern every, okay, this particular line I will make little thick. Okay. And if you want to simplify it further, acrylic markers. You can simply take acrylic markers and you can make it. With acrylic markers, you will find bold lines, and just like a marker pen, you will be moving it. Now I will turn my file. If you want to make it little detailed, the second portion, or we are going to add some dots or some patterns. We'll see it afterwards. Let's complete this one also. Okay, you will keep turning your file so that you will find your structure ready. The patterns which we made on site, please check, see this properly. And only this much we will be highlighting. Remaining lines you will not go for. So here these lines again. And we will finish these lines carefully and just with designs. Can I mehendi patterns you can try of this kind, and even rangolis could be tried this way. Here we are simply using paintbrush, but with sand colors and different colorful combinations, the same rangoli could be made. So this will help you understanding rangoli pattern also, you know, how to make rangoli pattern. So see, this is the way you will move it smoothly. We'll make this line a little thick. You will go for these lines. Okay, lines which I'm making very carefully, you will complete. And slowly our black paper is been converted in a folk art pattern. Okay, and like here we are going for authentic method, folk art which has been done with khadiya and geru. है ना? So we are using black paper as base and we are simply adding the patterns. Okay. In a short distance, I will show the kind of artworks we cover up in our regular classes. When you make any artwork in which you are repeating the patterns, and it like it gives you command over that particular stroke you are making. It improves your focus. Can you see like how much focused you are while making your pattern to keep it uniform and to make the line of this stable? So drawing is very amazing focus enhancing activity this ways. In center, you can write Shubh Labh. And this also can be written. You will be making two sleeping lines that can be made directly. Try to make your lines neatly. You can use your chalk for detailing, soak it in water, and if you feel that few lines you want to make or few small lines you want to use chalk, so you can go that ways. Okay? And okay, yeah. We can make some simple patterns. We can go for some very simple lines, and we can add little of detailing in patterns lower side. And the patterns which you are making, they are absolutely simple. And dots could be used. I'm making dash, but dots could also be used. Okay. Yeah. So yes, after this, if you feel that little of uh, color like golden color or this kind of color, other color you want to add, little of that, touch of that, and you can add that also. Fortunately, I have pearl colors available. So I will take help of pearl colors. Come on, you do this and see if you're not able to make this shape now, you simply color it white. Then take your black color and with black you give this, make this line. So that will be easy for you. You know? Yeah, you can do this. Actually, the complete this we can do. Make the basic structure that with black you can highlight the lines. Okay. You will be taking, it's a beautiful copper color, could be used somewhere. Okay. So if you feel that some of the lines or at some places you want can do that, you can definitely do that. So here, if you feel that this middle portion you want to go with it, you can. Or you want to show that one particular stripe you want to do with golden, you can. Otherwise, you can keep it completely with black and white. You can keep it exactly the way it is right now. Okay? So let's add it somewhere. It's optional, huh? It's not compulsory. That's why it's not mentioned even in material list. And little I will add here. I think not needed. We will not add it. Okay. As I add lower side, I will add upper side also. Otherwise, we can leave it like that. Chalo. Done? Everyone finish this march? And by the time when you all are doing this, I love to show the kind of artworks we cover up in our regular classes. Yes. And I want to show what kind of artworks. Like we have three batches available, and a pre-junior, junior, and senior. So what kind of artworks we pick up, and step by step we develop the artwork. We try to cover up all different art forms, all different color mediums, so that students can grow overall. So the kind of artworks we pick up, I will love to show you. It will give you idea about. And this little of white we have, if you want to do it somewhere. Now we will use earbud and we will add some dots. So I want to add some dot here. So you will take earbud. With earbud, what will happen? Your dots will be perfect. So add dot here. Okay. Add dots, uniform dots. Just hold it vertically. Keep taking color. And you will add some dots all over. Okay. And here also, you can go for dots. Here also, two dots will come. Okay. Come on, let's add some dots and add on to the beauty of the artwork. Okay. We will add some dot, one dot here also in middle. Okay, so see, we decided the basic patterns. So after making those patterns, making the artwork has become so easy. You know? So this is the beauty of making patterns before. I will be making few dots here. Okay. And if you feel that you want to add few more dots somewhere else, you can. Like upper side where we are going to make hanging, there we can add some dots. Don't add too many dots. You know, too many dots will also spoil the work. It should have balance of everything we are adding. I think these are enough. Okay. And yes, this is the way. Acha, this line which we made now with dot very close also it could be made. Okay. Yes. So see, this is our basic layout ready. Okay. Now we will make it looking more beautiful with help of some colorful hangings. So I have a lovely colorful hangings ready. So we will either staple or we can put tape and do its pasting. And we have so many things to do. So with help of tape also it could be done very easily. So I have this kind of colorful things. So you can use it green and this and orange, pink. This kind of colors will make it looking beautiful. I will add it here. If you feel that you want to make one here also, you can do it pasting here also. In middle, you can add two. Or if you feel that you want to go for three or four of this kind, you can even go that ways. Okay. And save upper side. So chalo, let's complete it. And for that, what I'm going to use, I will be using sellotape. Okay. So very creatively, I will use sellotape in the way that this work will be done in no time. Okay, chalo. So let's learn how to do that. But before this, I'll wait. I want to see that you all have done. Yeah, want me to wait? Finish it. I can see many of you used yellow paper. Achha, if you're using white paper, then your complete pattern will go with. You can use chalk. With chalk and with acrylic markers, the work will happen quickly, neatly, and more perfectly. Okay? Yes. Now I will teach how to add sellotape. For this, you will take your sellotape and you will take the stripes which you will be doing pasting backside. If you want to take a stripe of paper, you can staple and whatever you have available. With that only, you will be doing it. So I have sellotape available. And what I will do, I will simply cut a stripe. See, this is a stripe of sellotape. Hai na? What you will do its pasting backside. And the sticky portion which we have now, you will do its pasting here. And extra sellotape you will cut. Now see how beautifully in no time your pasting is done. And extra you will cut. Okay. Same I'm going to do with another one. And I will do all over. Same I will be doing upper side. Upper side we want to show hanging also. We can simply take a ribbon or something which we can use for hanging, or we can simply make a small hole inside upper side so that we can hang this hanging anywhere to welcome as and as I told you that Shankh is considered as very holy symbol. Its presence at home add positivity all around. So this could be used as a beautiful traditional art, folk art for your entrance. You know, for entrance it is also it's amazing. So I will take one more piece of this sellotape. You will do its pasting backside, keeping its sticky part upper side. Sticky part you will keep upper side. And you will do its pasting nicely, neatly. And as these are very lightweight. Acha, if you're using something heavy, something which you need to paste, then in that case, you can go for, yeah, I will go for orange and Extra, you will cut. Okay, extra, you will cut. And some light colors, if at place of blue, if you will use some light colors here also, they will look better, I think. है ना? Or even blue will look great. Chalo. So now we will complete our next ones. And I will do its pasting backside, keeping the sticky part. See, sticky part is upper side, okay? And you will do its pasting. You will do pasting of one blue. Colorful will look great. And extra, you will cut. Extra, you will cut. Okay, same here, extra, you will cut. With this, what will happen? This will happen. You'll find it easy to do its pasting. And with Fevicol, you will be. Now here, this thing could be done with help of Fevicol also. You can paste the stripe of black paper. And if you want to decorate it and you want to hang it like this, you can even do this also. This black triangular shapes which we have, you can simply decorate it and you can do its pasting upside down. I will be applying little of blue here. If you have many, you can simply do pasting of it in this complete line. Anna? If you have this kind of lovely hangings or some more creative things to hang, you can, an upper side, you can simply make a small tiny hole, or you can simply add something of this kind, or you can add a bangle also to hang. If you feel you want to put a bangle, you want to do its pasting backside. So you can do its pasting, or you can put sellotape and you will be able to hang it this is. And your hanging is ready. If you want to put some colors here, if you want to put this kind of things you have which you can decorate all over for the boundaries, you can definitely do that. See, okay? Yeah. I will show it on dark surface so that you can see it beautifully. And once your color is completely dry, then you will turn it upside down and you will do pasting of this bangle here for pasting. If you don't have bangle, you can take a small piece of thread or satin ribbon or any other thing you have available. Just see in your treasure box and you will definitely find something available. Okay. And this is your folk art, hanging folk art ready. Yeah, see. And I can understand during watercolor work, it's not easy to lift up your files and show your work. But if you feel that you want to do pasting of mirrors you have, if you have some other things that you feel that you can paste it, and if you have some other colorful things to decorate it, you can for sure. We kept it very simple so that everyone can understand it. Now we will come on artworks. So first I will start with pre-junior batch artworks. Okay. Now I'll start showing the kind of artworks we cover up in our regular classes. Okay, so now we will start with a pre-junior batch. Pre-junior batch, it means batch in which we have students of 3.5 years to 7 years. Okay, and this is beginners batch in which we teach with help of shapes, alphabets, And we teach how to draw and how to color. So what kind of artworks we cover up in that batch, I will show you. Yes. So this is 3.5 to 7 years old. So we try to cover up this kind of simple artworks. And right from pre-junior batch, we are training what is complete artwork. Using two circles, this national symbol that is our flower, poster making, right from pre-junior batch, we start teaching. Keep your teeth clean, different animals. And you can see this is circle, C and 11 and V for making grass. Thumb impression so that students can have understanding modes of transport. And Ganesha, again, using two circles. And a Madhubani art, landscape, national symbol that is banyan tree, national bird that is peacock. You can see using just geometric shapes we completed. This is Christmas or different birds we try to cover up. This is newspaper ball for making roses, finger impression for making leaves, our helpers. This is Kashmir where we covered up one more kind of house that is houseboat, landscape with kacha house and a different kind of houses students have in diagram. So I try to cover up them. Underwater world with geometric shape, unit in diversity, Lohri, my dream house, that is chocolate and ice cream house. India is spreading the message of peace. Madhubani, folk art, that is early art. Your favorite characters, many times they do pasting of leaves and this kind of characters of story. Good habit, that is early to bed. Flamingo, different birds I showed you. Flamingo, landscapes, different flowers, and so on. So this kind of artworks we cover up in our pre-junior batch. And right from pre-junior batch, we are training what is complete work. We never teach object-oriented. Like see here, this is underwater world. So we add blue color in background, little grass, some stones. Right from pre-junior batch, drawing and coloring, both we are guiding our students with. Now we will switch on to our second grow batch, that is 7 years to 10 years, that is junior batch. From junior batch, students start learning pencil shading and coffee painting also. Okay, so I will show the kind of artworks they cover up. So we try to start covering up human anatomy. This is Independence Day special drawing. Pencil shading is also part of syllabus. My pet. You see, this is combination of pencil shading and colors. This is drawing of Onam. Poster makings, they cover up clean source of energy. This is impression art, tissue paper impression, and 1 point perspective artwork it is. My birthday, this is New Year and Christmas combined. Pencil shading, we start teaching underwater world with submarine and a different animals. This is panther. Coffee painting also we start teaching in junior batch. It means 7 years to 10 years batch. Okay. This is watercolors, our voting right, and our students want to participate, but many times they don't know what to draw. And our nature art, in which we learn the merging of colors, folk art, our helpers, and our figures, and face study. We start teaching the basic proportion of face also. And this is impression art. We personify a tree, male and female figure, different animal anatomies, like this is zebra, this is elephant. Pen art is we start from junior batch. Pencil shading, life before internet. Here again you can see this is pen art, and this is again a pen art. Coffee painting again, and we cover up abstract art. You can see this is abstract art. And we cover Rakhi. This is Krishna and Sudama for Friendship Day special, Rakhi special drawing, Independence Day special artwork, unicorn animal anatomy we teach. This is pencil shading work, painting with fingers. And this is Lord Ganesha talking with mouse, Hindi Divas special poster making. And this is World Tourism Day special poster making. Your favorite cartoon character, Maya Yashoda and Kanha, mermaid, Diwali, coffee painting again, wet in wet technique, and so on. This kind of artworks we cover up in our second batch, that is 8 years to 10 years. Okay. Now we will come on our senior batch. In senior batch, what kind of artworks we cover up? Okay. So in senior batch, like according to batches, the art forms start getting little mature. Okay. So in senior batch, we cover watercolor landscapes. I will show all kind of art forms we cover up. Watercolor landscape, We try to cover up this kind of poster making in which you are struggling to find out time from social media. And see, with texture art, we write no, yes to books, no to mobile. Pencil shading, we start learning. This is a drawing on life before internet. This kind of topic students get in competition. Underwater world, I love diving, this kind of. And this is a beautiful poster making on Teachers' Day. Design in circle with finger impression. And this is a graphic based drawing on Mother's Day. This is a scene of fate. And our students are preparing for elementary exam, so this kind of topics they get there. Butterfly, we learn the merging of colors. And male and female figure, animal anatomy, still life we start teaching. Madhubani are different folk arts, Madhubani, African, and pencil shading work, mixed media coloring we learn, 1 point perspective with watercolors. This is painting with fingers. This is watercolor painting. This is again mixed media and impression art also we learn in senior batch, but it is quite mature. See, this is impression art. And here the concept is education will take you to, so here earbud and cotton impression we took. Rainy day, combination of colors and color. And see, animal anatomy we learn in senior batch. This is unicorn and see lady's finger impression we use for making branches. Journey of an artist, Valentine Day special drawing with watercolor wet and wet technique. Again, still life because it's very important. Pollution, we covered up concept of pollution with help of clean source of energy. Again, a poster making. Many times we do little of craft also in our batch. Many times we merge two art forms. This is mandala and still life. Janmashtami special. Rhino, we covered up one more animal. My favorite game, New Year, Madhubani for showing Diwali. This is Patachitra, again a folk art with doodle art in it. Patachitra folk art. And this is again coffee painting. Yes, we lust. Coffee painting is part of our syllabus. This is a coffee painting. And this is a commonly given topic, no to plastic. These are few artworks. These are like countless topics, all important days, all important festivals, all different art forms. We cover everything in our regular classes. So these are the artworks in all three batches we cover up. Okay, now I want to share about the grant offer. It's specially for the students who want to learn from us for long run. I will request all of you to call your moms if your mom is not around, so that I can share this very important offer with you. Yes, so thank you so much, moms, for your valuable time. I wanted to share about this offer. And this offer is specially for the children who wanted to learn from us for long run, like 6 months or 1 year. And we come up with this kind of offers so that long-term learning could be absolutely budget friendly for you without burdening your pocket. Child can learn for long run. And yes, we provide recording of every class to every child with lifetime validity after class. Okay. Here you can compare if you go for yearly plan, at place of 12,000, it is 6,400. Complete discount of 50%. So, and same with 6 months. If you want to secure a seat and want to take benefit of this offer, you can contact on this number 95283 and our you will find a person available, our team available from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Even on Sundays. You can talk about the art, every detail if you want to get, you can talk to them, like time slots and everything about. Okay, so this is all about. And now I want to see if you can lift up your files and show how it turned out. Will you please lift up files and show me once? Great. Many of you used black and with lovely pasting of tassels. It's really looking great. Hangings, if you will put colorful hangings, it will change the complete look of it. Wonderful. Amazing. Wonderful work. Now I will request moms to be with us so that we can have feedback from them. So I will request moms, and I will request my team member to unmute them one after another so that we can talk. and have their feedback. Although, Neha ma'am, please spotlight them so that they can unmute themselves. Yes, I will request Amira. Yes, Amira, your spotlight. Try to unmute yourself. Yes. Huh. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Sir, please try to unmute yourself. Hello. And even Anvi, you are also spotlight. Try to unmute yourself. Hello, ma'am. Yes, Anvi Tiwari. Hello, ma'am. Hello, Anvi. Show your work. How it turn out? Yes, unmute yourself, Anvi. Unmute yourself.
Anvi, you have already unmuted.
Huh. I think some technical glitch we have. Then we have Saisha Goel. Yes. Please, and try to unmute yourself, Amira, if you can.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Ma'am, please do share your feedback.
I'm sure. It's very nice, ma'am. And she's
Okay.
also doing very good.
Acha, is she taking our regular classes as well?
Yes.
Okay. In which batch?
It's 8 to 12 years.
Okay. Acha. Are you enjoying, Saisha? Yes. Ma'am, since long, how long she's taking a class?
Ma'am, pardon, please.
Well, how much time, like, how many months she is with us?
From last 2 months.
Okay, so are you able to see the shift of improvement?
Yes.
Okay, she's joyfully attending the class, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Please do share your feedback on WhatsApp also. And yes, I forgot to show this. Students, please don't forget to share your artwork on this number. This is my personal WhatsApp number where I review each and every artwork personally. Okay, so please share your artwork with you in your hands. I can see Sanvi Goyal, Amira Mehra. I can see, please try to unmute yourself so that we can take your feedback.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
Fine, ma'am.
मैम प्लीज डू यू शेयर योर फीडबैक। आप बताइए आपको क्लास कैसे लगी? हाउ वाज द क्लास?
मतलब बहुत एंजॉय कर रही है वो क्लास को।
अच्छा, वो रेगुलर क्लासेस भी ले रही हैं हमारी?
हाँ मैम, अभी लास्ट क्लास में 12 मई को जून मतलब मई में स्टार्ट किया है।
अच्छा, ओके। तो आप कैसा लग रहा है इनको? जैसे ऑनलाइन क्लास में अक्सर पेरेंट्स को लगता है ना कि बच्चे सीखेंगे या बैठेंगे कि नहीं, तो आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
वाज गुड, शी एंजॉयड अ लॉट।
अच्छा, एंड यू आर गेटिंग ऑल द इंस्ट्रक्शंस सानवी? है ना? इंस्ट्रक्शन का शो योर वर्क टुडेज वर्क। वाओ, वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस। Folk art give you scope for moving your hand freely. Very nice. Okay. You can put it and decorate it somewhere in your puja also, because this is considered very holy and lucky for home. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I will request Amira Mehra to unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Hello,
How are
ma'am.
you?
How are you? I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. ये मैम एक्चुअली मैं सुपर एक्साइटेड होती है जब भी आपकी क्लास होने वाली होती है, तो 2-3 दिन पहले ही मम्मा क्लास कब है, मम्मा क्लास कब है, ऐसे बोलती है।
अच्छा।
एंड ये बहुत एंजॉय करती है। अभी मैं रेगुलर नहीं अभी ज्वाइन करवाई हूँ, बट
अच्छा।
अभी हाँ मैं स्टार्ट करवाऊंगी इसका। बट शी एंजॉयज अ लॉट, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा इसको इतना अच्छा लगता है। वेट करती है कि मम्मा कब है क्लास, और सारा अपना अरेंजमेंट 1-2 दिन पहले ही ये सारा अरेंज कर लेती है।
वाह, अमायरा, ये सारी चीजें ये दिखाती है कि आप कितनी अमेजिंग आर्टिस्ट हो, है ना? ये इंटरेस्ट, ये डेडिकेशन, ये एक आर्टिस्ट में होता है। दिखाओ अपना आर्टवर्क, आज आपने कैसे बनाया, देखें।
आज का थोड़ा सा मिस हो गया
नहीं
थोड़ा
मैम, ये आर्ट फॉर्म एक्चुअली जो हमने पिकअप किया बहुत सुंदर है। ये फ्री स्टाइल है और ये बहुत प्यारा बना है अमायरा। है ना, क्योंकि ये फ्री स्टाइल, इसमें लाइंस जो है आप सारी लाइंस पेंट ब्रश से या उससे बना रहे थे। ये जो आर्टवर्क है ये फोकस इंप्रूवमेंट के लिए अमेजिंग है ना। तो ये आपने बहुत सुंदर बनाया और प्रैक्टिस कर लेना, ठीक है। आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, वेरी गुड। और मैम जिस नंबर पे मैंने बताया जरूर अमायरा का वर्क शेयर करना।
ओके
ओके, थैंक यू मैम, यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट अमायरा, वेरी गुड। और मैं देख पा रही हूँ देवांगी's वर्क सो ब्यूटीफुल। देवांगी, देन वी हैव Sujana, Sai Sujana. Yes, please try to. Hello. How are you, Devangi? It's so beautiful, wonderful. Enjoy it? Neat and refined.
Ma'am, I enjoy it a lot.
Wow, great. And you can display it anywhere in your puja ghar or on entrance, you can put it. This is very trendy. You did it amazingly. Ma'am, please share your feedback also. What is your feedback for our classes?
Ma'am, this is Devangi's third class. She has already learned the baby dinosaur, then the coffee painting, and this is the third artwork that she has learned. And she's
Okay.
really enjoying it. And I'm also enjoying it with her because I also sit with her and I'm also learning a lot of new things. Thank you so much. The way you teach, the way you, share your steps and the kids are following. That is really commendable. Thank you. Thank you so much for all these classes. I'm very
Thank you
happy.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And ma'am, like joyfully she is attending the class.
Yes, she is attending, ma'am.
Okay.
Junior batch she is attending Monday,
Ah.
Wednesday, Friday.
Acha, okay. That's amazing. And this artwork is very neat and refined, Devangi.
Yes,
Please
ma'am,
do
yes.
share it on my WhatsApp number. You're doing
For
great.
sure,
Very
ma'am.
good.
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. I will request Sujana, then Sanvi Goyal. Please, ma'am, try to unmute yourself. Then we have Swara Shinde. So beautiful. Like students did amazing work. And see, Sujana was not having black, so she used black on white, and it's such amazing work. Lovely. Please try to unmute yourself, Sujana. I think some technical glitch. Okay. Then others like Swara, Neil, Sanvi.
Sujana ma'am, you have already unmuted.
Acha, Sujana, you are already on mute. Yeah, it's beautiful work. I think you are not able to unmute yourself. बहुत प्यारा, very good, lovely. Share it on WhatsApp, okay? Very good. Ma'am, try to unmute. I am not able to hear you. By the time Swara, Sanvi Goyal, so we took feedback, I think. And as Neil, Sanvi's feedback, so we took. Very nice, Neil. Good efforts. Swara, very good efforts.
Thank you, ma'am.
Enjoyed the class? Got the instructions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, amazing. Very good. Now I'll request other moms and Neil. Neil, try to unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. You have that access. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hello मैम.
How are you?
Yeah, I am fine. Actually, आप जो सिखाते हो ना, he is really liking it, and he love drawing. And actually, whatever he is drawing, no means whatever he is drawing at home, no, he is always sending on WhatsApp and telling that it मैंने draw किया है, ये किया है, वो किया है, and you really appreciate on his drawing.
Even today, like he tried his level best to do it, and it turned up so well. Wonderful. Neil, दिखाओ अपना artwork. हाँ, नील ये बहुत डिटेल्ड और बहुत प्यारा करा है ना, like so different cuttings and lines and so many geometric patterns. Wonderful, lovely. Yeah. So, ma'am, are you happy with the way he is growing?
Yes, ma'am. I'm really very happy. Because he is always waiting for your class, that when will be the class, and always arrangement and all things is doing alone only. He's not waiting for me that I will do all the arrangement and all. He's
Wow,
doing, and after completing the class, now he is packing up the bag and all, and skipping up the things in his place alone.
Wow. Very good, Neil. Wonderful. Like this is the instruction which I keep giving, and I'm more than happy that students are following it. Very good. Lovely. Ma'am, here, like as there are many new moms also, they must be doubtful that child will be able to learn online. Is this possible? They definitely would be having this doubt. What is your experience regarding this?
Actually, I was also having the doubt that how online they will get that instruction, whatever you are giving the instruction in online, because sitting beside them is other thing, and online class is the other thing. Means they can't
Yeah.
grab, no. But my experience is very good that online class he's getting all the details, because you are giving the details slow, means very slow and slow, step by steps. So he's getting, and मैंने उसको पूछा भी that you are means getting all the information and all the steps properly ना. Yes, he is very liking it.
अच्छा,
कि
that's
you are
amazing.
waiting, yeah, you are waiting for all the student. अगर वो पीछे भी रहेंगे और कोई भी student, so you are telling that thumbs up या
हाँ.
down, yeah. So you are waiting for all the student. ऐसे नहीं कि आधे जन का हो गया है, so you are going fast and fast. No, आप बहुत धीरे से सिखाते हो. Means I am really liking it, and he also liking it.
That's clearly reflecting.
So I had
Like even
took only for 1 month class, but he is telling to extend me that because of means उसको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Very means अलग अलग drawing, different drawing, like coffee painting was new for him. He had never
अच्छा.
did that. So this is also new for him. So he's liking the variety, whatever you are teaching.
ये बहुत
So
अच्छी.
thank you.
Thank you so much. और ये दिखाता है कि how amazing artist he is. है ना, like
Yes.
arranging things, listening to the instruction. हाँ,
Yes.
show this, Neil. Very good. It's so beautiful. Wonderfully, like with tones of colors, you played so well. Very good. Share this artwork on WhatsApp,
And also,
okay? Yeah, ma'am.
yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
And also in this school, he's getting the first prize, like in poster making and whatever, like greeting and all, like father
अच्छा.
card making, father day, in Father Day,
अच्छा.
Mother's Day card making is done. So in this school also is getting first prize.
Ma'am, please do share
So in
about the
art he is very
victories.
much.
Ma'am, do share the victories
Yes.
with us also, so that we can share it on different platforms. Other students will get motivated. Okay.
Yes, yes, really,
Okay.
ma'am. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah.
Neil, want to say something? You are doing great. Very good, Neil. Okay, okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ashima, I will request Ashima OT. And then we have Manaya. Ashima, try to unmute yourself.
I'm just joined
So
late,
beautiful.
actually.
Yeah, ma'am.
1 hour late.
No, but still she did amazing. Show me. It's very neat and refined work. Whatever part you did, wonderful. And you can finish the remaining one also, but the basic layout is so wonderful. And you are enjoying the classes?
Yes.
Yes? You did excellent work. Excellent. Are you taking a regular class also?
मैम अभी just hello मैम.
हाँ, मैं आपको सुन पा रही हूँ मैम.
मैम just अभी 2 classes ही हुई है ज्वाइन
अच्छा.
करे हुए. आशिमा से आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे ही डेफिनेटली.
नहीं, आशिमा बहुत अच्छा कर रही है. इवन आज एक 1 आवर लेट होने के बाद भी
यस मैम.
इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया है. तो आप रिकॉर्डिंग की हेल्प से ही कर सकते हैं इसे पूरा. ठीक है?
यस मैम.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू. Manaya Shakarwar. Try to unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I am already unmuted.
Okay, you are already unmuted. Okay. How was the class, Manaya?
Ma'am, very nice.
Very nice. All the instructions you got well? अच्छे से सारे instructions समझ आए?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, show me your work.
Ma'am, I am still doing.
Wow, this is so beautiful. With your small hands, you created a masterpiece. Lovely, lovely. I will request moms. Your mom is with you? तुम्हारी मम्मी है तुम्हारे साथ?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Ma'am, please share your feedback. आपका कैसा experience रहा? Please बताइए. Please share your feedback.
मैम, हम तो आपके साथ पिछले 1 साल से कनेक्टेड है. पहले हम प्री जूनियर बैच में थे. इस साल हमने जूनियर बैच में रिन्यू किया.
अच्छा, तो जूनियर बैच में ये कोप अप कर पा रही हैं अच्छे से? कैसा लग रहा है इनको जूनियर बैच में?
मैम, जूनियर बैच का ये पहला ही सेशन था उसका, लेकिन हमें अच्छा लगा. कॉफी पेंटिंग वाला कल का एक सेशन किया था उसने.
अच्छा.
और आज क्राफ्ट वाला.
अच्छा, ओके. तो कोई नहीं, आप देखेंगे कि ये जूनियर बैच में भी बहुत अच्छा करेंगे, क्योंकि टीचिंग मेथोडोलॉजी सेम है, बस ये है कि हमारे आर्टवर्क थोड़े मेच्योर है बस। तो आज भी इन्होंने काफी अच्छी कोशिश की है, क्योंकि इस आर्टवर्क में इतनी सारी लाइंस थी, पर इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। ओके, थैंक यू मैम। हाँ
उसकी ख्वाहिश थी कि उसको इस साल जूनियर बैच में करना है।
अच्छा तो ठीक है ना, कोई बात नहीं।
हाँ।
देखिए हमारे पास रिकॉर्डिंग होती है लाइफ लॉन्ग के लिए, है ना। तो अगर समझो क्लास में कोई आर्टवर्क आपको चैलेंजिंग लगता है या टर्न अप नहीं हो पाता जैसा आप चाहते हैं, तो आप रिवाइज, आपके पास हमेशा गाइडेंस है, तो आप उससे रिवाइज कर सकते हैं। और ये बहुत अच्छा करेंगे, क्योंकि हाथ इनका अच्छा है, साफ है हाथ। ओके,
हाँ मैम।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। ऋषिका सिंह, ऋषिका, इसके बाद हम सोनाक्षी के साथ कम्युनिकेट करके देन वी विल वाइंड अप, ठीक है। बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स आर सिटिंग फॉर लॉन्ग, और बच्चों के लिए बहुत थकाने वाला हो जाता है फिर नहीं तो। यस ऋषिका।
Hello, ma'am.
हेलो ऋषिका, हाउ आर यू?
Fine, ma'am.
हाउ वाज द क्लास? यू एंजॉयड?
Yes, ma'am. I enjoyed a lot.
Okay, and the instructions were clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Show your work, how it turned out. Wow, so beautiful, lovely, very good.
Ma'am, I created a mandala art also.
Acha, very good. Very nice. Such amazing work. Good. Very nice. These all patterns we learn, na? This could be used for mandala patterns also. Very good. Share your artwork on WhatsApp, okay, beta? I will request Arohi, then we will wind up. You know, after Arohi, we will wind up the class because it is too long for children. And others can also show their artwork. Such amazing. I can see Anahat Kaur. Beautiful, lovely bells she hang. I can see Neha Mittal. On white, she did it with black and such amazing work. And here I can see Rajneesh. Oh my God, so creative. And here I can see Yatharth. Beautiful work. Sharanya, lovely. You can show your artworks. You students, you did excellent. Arohi Keshri, wonderful.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
what
बहुत अच्छा। अभी थोड़ी डिटेलिंग रह गई है इसमें, है ना आरोही?
Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am.
कर लेना, कोई बात नहीं। बहुत अच्छा बनाया बेटा, वेरी गुड।
Recording will be get na?
हाँ, या you will get. Do it afterwards, okay? And
Okay.
सायांशी, बहुत अच्छा बनाया है सायांशी। सायांशी ने मिरर्स भी लगाए हैं, जिसकी वजह से एकदम झिलमिल कर रहा है ये। वेरी गुड। और बच्चे भी अपना आर्टवर्क दिखा सकते हैं। यस, बहुत अच्छा। और आर्ट क्लास के बाद अपना आर्टवर्क जरूर शेयर करना। हाँ, प्रत्युषा, आपको कुछ बोलना है? यस, अच्छा, प्रत्युषा को स्पॉटलाइट करो रे। हाँ
ओके मैम।
हाँ, प्रत्युषा, आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर सकते हो। और बच्चों, आप लोगों ने सचमुच गजब का काम किया है। ये काफी डिटेल्ड और चैलेंजिंग आर्टवर्क था, है ना, बट यू ऑल डिड इट एक्सीलेंट, और बहुत नीटली भी करा है। यस, हाँ प्रत्युषा, ये बहुत सुंदर बना है, बहुत नीट। वेरी गुड बेटा। आपने एंजॉय किया क्लास को? यू एंजॉयड? यू एंजॉयड? यस, ओके। चलो, you did great, huh? Very good. चलो, तो with this we will wind up class, and you all are amazing. Don't forget to share your artwork with us, okay? Take care. Bye bye. Lots of blessings.